Hey everyone, thanks for coming back to Global Foodie Desi, and I hope you all are having an amazing day. My name is ALIKHAN and today I am in Granville, New South Wales, Sydney. So Granville is one of the most busiest and popular area in New South Wales, and it's always busy. And the restaurant I'm going to, it's called ELJANNAH. It's located on the busiest street of Granville, which is South Street, and there are full street full of restaurants. And we're gonna go to that restaurant and we're gonna try their food there. So guys, the ELJANNAH restaurant chain started in 1998, and after that they never stopped. There are a lot of branches all over New South Wales, and they are famous for their grilled chicken, which is a charcoal chicken. And they have a bunch of other things which we're going to try now, and let's do it. So guys, look at this. I've ordered like a bunch of things from ELJANNAH chicken. I'll take you through. The first plate which we've ordered, it's called a falafel platter. So it comes with 3 falafels, a bit of salad. In the salad I think there is a parsley, onion, and a bit of spices, tomatoes, pickles, and their special garlic sauce. So the next one is, it's called the shawarma platter. The shawarma platter is a beef mince in very small pieces, tomatoes, pickles, and their salad. And the third thing we have ordered is their burger. So it's a bun, big size of chicken piece, and deep fried with the garlic sauce and lettuce into it. And this is their speciality, the chicken kebab. So look at how much fillings in that chicken. So there are a lot of things in it, and there's a lettuce, cucumber, onion, all kind of salads. Their main special chicken and their signature garlic sauce. I'm really pumped to try these all things. And they give us a bit of a Lebanese bread, and this is why I came to eat this. Their charcoal chicken. This restaurant is famous for their charcoal chicken, which is they marinate that chicken for like a long time, maybe 1 or 2 nights, and serve with the garlic sauce and their pickles, and you can get chips for any size with it. So let's try which thing we're gonna eat it first. Really pumped to try that. Let's try this one first. Wow, this is looking really amazing. I'm gonna try this by itself first. Oh yeah, this is very crispy from outside and very soft from inside. There is a Lebanese spices flavors in it, and let me try with their special sauce. I'll try this. Oh my god. With the sauces, the flavor is totally changes. Let me try with the tomatoes, 1 pickle, Let me try with this sauce. Wow. I'm gonna try this salad. There's not many flavors in salad. It's very fresh. This one is it's called the shawarma platters. Shawarma is pretty famous in Pakistan as well. You can find it on the streets, especially in the night, and people love to eat it there. And they're saying this is a very famous dishes here as well. They have. So I'm just gonna try the meat by itself first. Just by itself first. Let me try with the chips. Oh my god. This meat is like really tender. Very, very tender. Let's try with a bit of salad. And a bit of the chutney. I don't know what I'm gonna do without food, you know. I love to eat food all the time. You know what I like to do? I'll take the piece of bread and I put meat into it like this. I put one pickle, one tomato, bit of salad. It's like a mini shawarma, I made it. And let's dip it in the sauce. And now try that, really pumped for that. Oh yeah. Add everything in the bread and it tastes in a different level. I'm really pumped to try that burger now. So this burger is a bun. There's a big piece of chicken, fried chicken in it, and there's a garlic sauce and lettuce. Let's take a bite of that. Oh yeah. That chicken is very tender and there's, I think, black pepper taste I can feel it. And the sauce, this is ELJANNAH special sauce and I'm in heaven. Let me try their kebab. So look at the bread from outside is like really crispy. And the filling, look at that, the filling. The filling is one of a kind, you know. Look at how big it looks, you know. There's a chicken, lettuce, tomatoes, 2 different sauces. There's a chili sauce and garlic sauce. And I'm really pumped to try that. The bread from outside is like really crispy. Really crispy, which gives you a really good crunch at the first time, and then it just becomes really soft in your mouth. I'll take another bite. And now there's a speciality, their grilled chicken. Oh yeah. And their garlic sauce. This chicken has a really good taste as well, not really spicy, not less spicy, the perfect balance of spices, very less spices on the chicken. And when they grill the skin on top of it, I think they put special spice on the skin on the outside, and that makes a big difference. And when you dip it in the garlic sauce, then it takes you in another level, which is amazing. That's why it's very famous. Let me try that chips with the garlic sauce. Wow. The garlic sauce is the main thing here. This is the real deal. If you dip that chicken into that garlic sauce, the taste makes it really amazing. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share the video and subscribe to my channel and join the family. And inshallah, I will see you in the next video.
Besos